Now for these questions, we're subtracting hundredths or tenths. So first, we have 0.6 minus 0.04. We can set this out as a column subtraction, but it's really important that we remember to line up our decimal points, because if our decimal points are lined up, then our ones, tenths and hundredths place value columns will be lined up as well. Now, we can write a 0 in this empty square, because 0.60 is the same as 0.6, so we haven't changed the question. We can always write zeros on the end of decimals, because here, all the 0 tells us is that we don't have any extra hundredths, we just have 6/10. Now, we can copy the decimal point down into our answer and subtract using column subtraction. So we can't do 0 minus 4, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is 0.56. Now we have 0.9 minus 0.01. Again, we've got the question set out with the decimal points lined up, so that our place values are lined up as well. Now we can write a 0 in this empty square, because 0.90 is the same as 0.9, and we can copy the decimal point down into our answer. We can't do 0 minus 1, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 0 minus 0 is 0, so we have 0.89. Now we're subtracting tenths, so we have 0.77 minus 0.4, and again we've got the question set out with the decimal points lined up. We can write a 0 in this empty square, because 0.40 is the same as 0.4. All this 0 tells us is that we don't have any extra hundredths. We can copy the decimal point down into our answer, and now 7 minus 0 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So we get 0.37 as our answer. Now we have 0.44 minus 0.4. Again, we've got our decimal points lined up. We can write a 0 in our empty square and copy the decimal point down into our answer. 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is 0.04. And you can see what we were really doing here was subtracting the 4/10ths away from the 4/10ths in our question, and that left us with just the 400ths, so 0.04. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.